Most people know me as Cliff. By day, I work in downtown Seattle in software engineering. I punch the clock. I sit in rush hour traffic. I'm a coworker to other engineers just trying to get through the day. When I get home, I am no longer Cliff. I'm just Dad. I have a wife, kids, pets, chores, and all the normal responsibilities that come with family life. But there is another side of me. Back in 2011, I started a small YouTube channel called The Urban Prepper. It began as a hobby, just a way to talk to other like-minded people about preparedness, organization, and being ready for the unexpected. Over the years, the channel grew into something I never imagined. Many of you have watched my kids grow up through these videos. You've been a part of my preparedness journey for more than 15 years now, and I'm incredibly grateful for that. However, when I went to SHOT Show in Las Vegas this year, I had the rare opportunity to be the urban prepper 100% of the time for 3 full days. Not just at night after work, not squeezed in between family responsibilities, but fully present, morning to night, living inside the channel and the community that surrounds it. From the moment we landed in Las Vegas, that feeling was there. Getting picked up at the airport by Armando from JMC Limousine set the tone right away. Then at baggage claim, Diane recognized me and shared kind words about my videos. That moment meant more to me than she probably realized. So often when I film, I'm alone. It might be late at night at the dining room table. Just me, a camera, and a topic I care about. It's easy to lose sight of how those videos reach real people from all over the world. Emergency preparedness is different than most content on social media. What we talk about can genuinely help people. It could save lives. Preparedness isn't just about disasters. It could be job loss, health issues, natural disasters, civil unrest, or something as simple as changing a tire on the side of the road. As I walked the floor at SHOT Show, I kept hearing Urban Prepper from vendors, from fellow creators, from viewers of the channel. At times, as we moved from booth to booth, I even had a small posse of preppers walking with me, just talking gear, sharing stories, and connecting in person. That was surreal. I don't let any of this get to my head, but it was incredibly flattering and deeply motivating. I probably stood out a bit at SHOT Show, not because I'm tactical, but because I keep a consistent look. I have the Kangol hat and the dark frame glasses and a short beard. It's a simple look, but over time it's become part of the Urban Prepper brand. I don't wear camouflage. I don't cover firearms. Instead, I focus on organization, Altoids kits, downloadable PDFs, and helping everyday families stay prepared in practical ways. And somehow that connected. It was an honor meeting so many people. Mike from the Last Line of Defense, Matt from the Magic Prepper channel, the Tactical Rabbi, viewers like EJ, the family from Goat Guns who have been watching me since year one. I had great conversations with the folks from Grail, Tim from Maxpedition, thermal camera companies, patch manufacturers, Eric from Rule the Wasteland, and many others. A very special thank you to Roman and the entire Mira Safety team. They were kind enough to help me get access to the event. They've supported my channel for years, and I've proudly supported their products for over 7 years now. And of course, thank you to my brother-in-law, Uncle Pancho, for coming with me and holding the camera the entire time. For 72 hours, the length of a standard bug out, I was fully immersed as the Urban Prepper, meeting peers, meeting viewers, meeting people who genuinely care about preparedness. It was humbling, it was motivating, and it was a lot of fun. During the event, I'll be honest, there were moments where I caught myself wondering, what would it be like to walk away from the desk job, to step out of corporate life and do this full time, to be 100% devoted to the Urban Prepper? It's a thought that crosses your mind when you're surrounded by peers, creators, and viewers who genuinely care about what you do. But I've always tried to be a provider first, as a husband and a father. That responsibility has always made me hesitant to take that leap. Maybe one day that decision will be made for me. Maybe circumstances will change. And maybe the future will look different than it does today. For now, I'm grateful for the balance I have and the opportunity to keep building this channel one video at a time. SHOT Show has long passed. I'm back home, I'm back at the office, back to being dad, but I look forward to the next time I get to be 100% the Urban Prepper. Thank you to everyone who has supported this channel over the years. Thank you for watching, thank you for commenting in the comment section, and thank you for being a part of this journey with me. There are many more videos to come, so stay tuned for more urban emergency preparedness videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care.